My first time ever at any port, and it happens to be in Hawaii. So this is
Pier 32.
Pier 32.
That's where the foreign imports come in.
Okay. And these are all the cars that just got here off the last boat. Yeah, I know Skyline, Pajero. That's isn't that what's that Mark that silver car?
Yeah.
Orthia. These are kind of cool. Little Honda wagons. I was gonna get one of these. I know we got some beads, cappuccinos. Oh wow, red TEs.
Of course, you're gonna go for the bead.
Yeah, I mean, I'm currently building one up. I never seen one on the red rims too. Those probably got painted.
More than likely.
Seat covers, pretty clean. I don't like the red on red personally. I think it's a little too cheesy, but they look kind of big too. What are those? Like 15s? Yeah, 15s. Nice Acti. AC, 41,000 kilometers.
Very clean.
Yeah, low kilometers too.
Yeah, very clean. FOB, look at the condition.
I know, fresh off. Literally, this is as fresh off the boat as it gets. Like you haven't even touched it with a rag yet.
No, nothing yet. And then this is mine.
So this is also yours. This is in a Tri-RT Limited twin cam 4-wheel drive. Got the curtains, power windows all around. That's nice. This one is a 5-speed. I was gonna say it doesn't have the power mode, but it's 5-speed 4-wheel drive. This is another nice one. This Jimny's nice. I feel like most of them are always pop loud colors, but this one being white on white gives it a nice little clean look. Got the chrome bumpers. This one has the cool mirror that sticks out. I'm seeing so many cars I've never seen in white before. I've never seen a white Pajero. This is a nice little Panda one. I gotta get one of these eventually, especially with a roof rack. That one's actually really nice. This one's yours.
Yeah.
Another FOB. Check this one out. Clean. AC. Interesting seat covers. 70,000 clicks. Rims. This yours?
Yep, brand new tires.
Yeah, so that's stuff that you told them to do in Japan?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Brand new tires.
Nice.
Straight off the boat.
This one is an IS at that, which is cool. You can kind of see the front end here.
Yeah.
A lot of chrome. This is a nice touch. The chrome mirrors. It's a dump bed.
Chrome all around.
It really is chrome all around. Nice big mud flaps. How's the interior? The interior is just as clean. Look at that fish little shift knob right there. Oh, those flowers. That's a nice look. I wonder if this works. That'd be even funnier if it does. 4-wheel drive. Little storage cubby. Look it up here. You got speakers up here. That glove box. That's definitely not on all the K trucks. You got this little aftermarket piece that people love. So what's your plans with this one?
This is getting a 2-inch lift.
As always.
As always, JDM style.
You don't like those rims, or you just want to go?
No, I'm keeping the rims.
Okay,
I'm putting a lift on it.
Yeah, those rims are really nice.
Just to bring it up a little more. And look at this. And then I'm gonna put lights, glow lights underneath.
Yeah, that would make it look even better.
And I'm gonna do is like those trucker mufflers, the ones that come here.
Oh, like the
that come back here. I'll put on 2.
That work or just for show?
For show.
Okay. But this is nice. I don't know if the camera's even picking up the color. It's like gray, but beige, has fog lights.
And then just look at the step down. Look at here.
Oh wow, it comes with a step that actually holds your weight too.
Yeah.
Wow.
So tires on this gonna get redone. So if the tires in the front, these are dead.
Yeah.
These are gone. And just how look, the spare. This is the spare. So that's the originals in here. But look, you can see this is shot. Look, see there?
So they did this over there?
No, it could have had a flat tire here.
Oh, okay.
But even just look, sometimes the spares they come in and they're shot. Look at the spare.
Yeah.
So we'll be replacing all the rubber on this.
Look at that chrome. You can really see my leg. You see my shoes. I'm mirroring off this right now.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
And this is an extended top. I didn't even realize that.
Yeah, that's an extended top. That's why you got the space back there where the speakers are.
Oh.
And you see the little beads?
Yeah, and also little beads with the speakers.
And look at the cubby here for your
Yeah, it's all little cubby. You got tweeters.
And it's got cup holders and armrests.
Yeah, armrests. Let's see how this feels. Look at the shifter. CV radio, AC, 4-wheel drive. Fresh off the boat and the dump works.
Yeah.
What is this, some little storage?
Storage.
Wow.
Come on, man. This is JDM Hawaii. Of course it works.
It's full of quirks all over the place.
Yeah, of course it works. You gotta get the horn. Horn's not working, though.
You hear it, though.
Yeah.
It's like it wants to work. Probably just needs to be connected to something.
It's something, because... And then it's like the CB radio.
That works?
I don't know yet. Oh, yep, look.
Oh, wow, yeah, it does. Oh, wow, the radio music works, too.
That's right.
That's crazy. Before I leave the port and drive this back, let me walk around and show some other cars that are here. We got another cool Hijet. Loving that paint. That's a regular Suzuki. Here's a Daihatsu Move. I slightly showed this in another video and everybody told me I should buy one and get one, so maybe that's coming soon. But these are cool. This is an underrated car. I think no one really talks about these. No one really talks about any type of like K car, like the Wagonar, stuff like this. Everybody talks about Beats and Cappuccinos when they think of K cars, but the Daihatsu Moves are cool. We got an Every. This is called a El Grande, I believe. I've seen one of these in Virginia. They're kind of nice. This is a Mazda Miata. It's not a Unos Roadster, if anybody's wondering. But these are nice. I could definitely see myself getting one of these out here. Nice white on white. We got an Every, Pajero Jr., white K-Van over there, Cappuccino that I showed earlier. I guess we could look at that Chaser. There's a Crown over there that's slammed. Let's look at this R34 a bit more. Next to Sylvia. Damn, it's so windy. I forgot my memory card at home, so I'm just using my phone right now. But nice R34, nice 14. I didn't even realize it was on some admin 3-spokes. That makes it even cooler. And then let me just show this Chaser. This Chaser is the best car here in my opinion. It's on Volks, super clean, brand new bride seats, low maxes, even have the plastic on them, front mount. It's not automatic either. Check out this slam Toyota Crown too. But all right, let me get back to my Hijet. Let's drive back to the shop. And crazy enough, the AC, radio, everything works in here. This is fresh off the boat and everything works. So I've never imported a car before, but even just doing this short drive and seeing how excited Slater was, I can only imagine how I would feel if I imported, you know, like my own AZ1 or Cappuccino or Beat or even just a regular K-Truck or K-Van, because I'm sure you see a lot of pictures, you see a lot of videos, but seeing it in person, seeing the speakers, seeing the fact that the AC works fresh off the boat, the car drives fine, four-wheel drive light turns on, these little cute things here, like this has to be an amazing feeling when you put your own money into it. You wait 2-3 months, the excitement builds up, and then port day, you pick it up, you drive it back to the shop, you drive it back home. Now I see why you guys like importing cars. Driving wise, it feels good. Shift straight into gear, 3rd, 4th, 5th, nice and smooth. The dumping in the back gives it some nice weight and comfort. Acceleration test. We just got back to JDM Hawaii. I'm gonna park this beast up. Just made it back to the shop. Look what just got dropped off. This is a 1989 Mazda Porter Cab. And I find it so crazy that this is what the K-Trucks look like back in 1989. And this is what they look like in 1991. From the height, the interior, the front end, everything about this truck looks a lot newer in comparison to this Porter Cab, which looks like it's from the 60s. I remember seeing this truck last time I was here. I called it the Avocado K-Truck. But look at all the cool features they got back in 1989. You get some additional wind with this. You get a ball chiller on the bottom. That's your passenger mirror. Interior wise, it's definitely a lot smaller than the newer trucks. I got like maybe an inch or two at the top. They mounted the flare over there. It's a 4-speed, but reverse is all the way to the far left. Not only that, but the shifter location is like right next to your knee. You can see it's touching my knee like from even trying. This is the e-brake, which is pretty interesting. Here's how you open and close the ball chiller. You still get a radio, still get a cigarette lighter, you still get an ashtray. Everything like that's pretty normal. This is where the brake fluid is, just like the normal trucks. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys a Porter Cab since we spend most of the day at the port. But I'm in this video here. Next video, we're 100% gonna go over the Mazda Bongo. I've been talking about road trip this, road trip that. But this car, this is something I need to get in my near future. I got some more bonus footage from today. So you guys remember the Subaru Sandbar? Here's how it looks at night. This thing is a vibe.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.